Good morning, students. Myself, Dr. L. Manchu Bhargavi, Assistant Professor, GFGC Madhugiri. Course BCom, Subject Commerce, Paper Corporate Accounting 1, Topic Valuation of Goodwill. In this session, we would be dealing the introduction, meaning and definition of goodwill, problems under average profits method in case of simple average profits. Objective of the learning. For this session, the objective of the learning would be to familiarize students with the concept of problems under average profit method in case of simple average profit. Session outcome, the students will be able to understand the concept of problems, how to solve the problems under average profit method in case of simple average profit. Let's have the introduction part. In this chapter, the students will be able to understand the problems, the procedure to solve the problems under the average profit method in case of simple average profit. Meaning of goodwill. Goodwill is the extra value attached to the business over and above the intrinsic value of its net assets. In other words, it is the value of reputation of good name of the business. Definition of goodwill. In the words of Spices and Pegler, goodwill may be said to be the element arising from the reputation, connection, or other advantages possessed by a business which enables it to earn profits than the return normally to be expected on the capital represented by the tangible assets employed in the business. Problems. The way of problem solving under average profit method in case of simple average profits will be methodically the value of goodwill is calculated by multiplying the adjusted average annual profits by the number of year purchase. Value of goodwill equal to adjusted average annual profits into number of years of purchase. After ascertaining the adjusted profits, it is necessary to find out the adjusted average profits, which can be ascertained under two methods. Simple average profit method and weighted average profit method. Simple average profit method. When there is fluctuation in the profit, simple average profit method should be followed. This can be calculated by using the formula. So, ಏನದು formula? Adjusted average profits in simple average equal to total adjusted profit of all the given years divided by number of years. Steps in calculation of goodwill under simple average profit method. First step would be statement of adjusted profit. Second would be calculation of adjusted average profit, simple average. And the third step would be calculation of goodwill. Thank you, students, for your cooperation. That's all in this session, and we'll see you in the next session. Thank you for your cooperation.